I'm going to give you guys a secret because believe it or not, 99% of the world, blacks and whites, do not understand or know the definition of racism. Racism has nothing to do with bigotry. It has nothing to do with bias. It has nothing to do with feelings. It has nothing to do with them not liking you. It is okay not to like people. White people not liking you is not racist, okay? Racism is a system. It's systematic, period. It is a system created to keep one race ahead while the other race is at the bottom. So racism started many years ago when whites, traveled and went to Africa and seen the advancements of blacks, and then now they got jealous and said, how do we destroy them and how do we turn it around so that they are on top? Okay, and this has started the game of racism. So racism is a race. It's right in the word. Racism, racist, race. Racism is a race. It is a race between the races. But the problem is we don't know that they are racing against us. When I say race, basically a competition. So there's a competition between the races, between blacks and whites. But blacks don't know that. So they're not playing to win. We are not playing defense. We're not doing anything. We're just laying back. So they started this race against themselves amongst the European nations, to compete against us, to take over the world and to be on top because we are a threat. Now, there's a lot of things involved. This is too short of a video to go into, but we should know that black is dominant, white is recessive. By natural selection, whites will be annihilated, okay? Because they have a problem with nature. They have a problem with the sun. We are sun people, okay? We are people of melanin. Okay, so over time, they're going to be annihilated. So that's why they're fighting. They are fighting to survive. And that's why now, if you watch TV, you will see they push interracial marriage because that's the only way to save their race, so that they can continue. But that's what racism is. Racism is a race between races. But since they didn't have a discussion with us to let us know that we are competing against you, we're just there chilling and getting fucked, But we got to play to win. I love you.